Just wanted to give you a little tutorial on editing videos. If you have a bunch of reels or something like that you want to add text to or sound to, this can help. And it actually is quite easy, user friendly in Canva. And if it's software you already use, it's there for you as well. I'm going to use our free food PLR package where we have 50 faceless reels in there for you. If you're watching this video before May 16th, 2026, it's not quite available yet, but it will be available soon. In that package, for example, we gave you 50 videos from their files, and what the heck are you gonna do with that? So we made it even easier for you, and we've actually loaded them into a Canva template. I'm looking at Canva right now, and I think it's an easier place to work from if you want to do some minor edits, add some text, add voiceovers, music, and more. They are all in one file. And if you go over here in the corner to grid view, it's the three little boxes, then you can see all 50 videos are here and there's a brief description of them so you can find your way around. And you can rename them if you want also, because when you download them, they'll have that name on the file. So they are all in one design to make it easier for you to kind of do it in batches, but you can download them separately. So they're just little videos that show a little cooking scene or serving food and stuff like that. And there's a bunch of things you could do here. So first, obviously you can add text to it. So this will be your canvas, this main video, and you could put things on top. One of the easiest things to do is go under add to text, and then you could choose like one of these layouts to make it easy. Let's just pick one and not worry about it. Chocolate muffins. And obviously, you can write whatever you'd like there. Muffin. And then we just need to resize it a little bit. And of course, you can add any other elements on top. You can add your branding. If you have uploaded your logo, you just drag it on, find it there, and or upload it and drag it over there. So what if there's sound also on the video? Like some of these have sound and you may not want them. I know this one does have
Yes.
some background sound. That's easy to get out of there. You just put your mouse over top of the video and you go extract audio, and then you can actually delete it if you want. You could also change the volume. So say you want that background noise, but you want something else on top or something like that, or you just want it quieter, then you can turn it up or down. And then if you add other audio tracks, like if you talk over top of it or you add some music, you can control the volume of each item. So if you do want to add music, you can see here, it like suggests add audio. So you can record a voiceover. So you can just talk over your videos. The other options were there is an AI voice, and you can go through that. I actually haven't tried their AI voices, if they're any good. I don't find Canva's AI features super great myself, but maybe you can find something. So you can also upload it if you got music or you did a voiceover somewhere else. You can upload that. You can add music. There's lots of music that you can listen to and see if you want to add it. And then it'll tell you here, these cracks are personal, internal, but come with some limitations. So you need to make sure of that as well. You can also find music at places like Pixabay under here, and you can check out most of it is used, it can be used for commercial use. And check it, and that would just be an upload. And then you would upload it and add it as well. So when it comes time to downloading it, you can download all your videos separately. All you have to do is go to share and you go download, and you would download. It's a pro feature, but it's really handy and lots of handy Canva Pro features. You download them as separate files, and then you can just choose the ones you want, download them all, and then you have your videos ready to work with. If you don't have Pro, then you can obviously use those files separately and then upload them into individual projects inside Canva and edit them that way. You can also download them as images if you want to make a thumbnail or something like that. and those obviously download separately as well. So I hope that was a helpful, quick overview on how to use such a setup where you have all these videos here ready for you that you can use the ones you want and update them. And if you have any questions, do let us know. And happy video editing.